Mr. Rakestraw, you don't wish to wait for Mr. Hampton?
No, we'll be okay. I spoke
right.
with Mr. Hampton. He's fine with me taking care of this.
State of Wisconsin versus Darrell Brooks, case number 21 CF 4596 and 21 CF 5020. Appearances, please.
Matthew Torbenson and Shelley Grosso appear for the state. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
Darrell Brooks appears by attorney William Rakestraw, who appears as co-counsel with attorney Robert Hampton, who is not here at this time, Your Honor. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hi, Mr. Brooks.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, so we are here for a status. The last time the case was in court, it was handled by Judge Feist for us. We were in the middle of a trial, and there were some movement issues. So Judge Feist handled it for us. At that time, it was set for a final pretrial. He adjourned the jury trial that was scheduled for December 12th and set it at the request of the parties for a status on today's date. Mr. Rakestraw, what can you tell me about that status and where we stand today?
Yes, Your Honor. Having spoke with Mr. Brooks, we have reached out to Attorney Torbenson and asked for a separate offer on this matter. It's my understanding that Attorney Torbenson is going to get that to me forthwith. Your Honor, me and Mr. Brooks have also discussed the possibility that Mr. Brooks will possibly be asking to proceed pro se if this case goes to trial, but we can table that for the time being as we are still seeking a possible resolution. Your Honor, I would ask for another status date so that we can work forward, hopefully, and obtain a resolution on this matter.
Okay, State?
Attorney Rakestraw and I discussed the parameters of an amended offer out in the hallway. I've emailed him an amended offer that involves just the two cases before Your Honor. I agree with the record made by Attorney Rakestraw in terms of how we proceed on this matter.
All right. Just so we're clear, what I'm taking you to say is that you are looking for an offer that handles the two cases that are scheduled before me, separate from the case that is scheduled before Judge Feist, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
So not separate offers on everything?
No.
Okay. All right. So it sounds like the parties are still negotiating. Do you wish to do another status?
Yes, please.
All right. We did have an opportunity to speak before. Okay, this should be fine. We had an opportunity to speak before we called the case on the record when you first came over, Mr. Rakestraw, with Mr. Torbenson and Ms. Grosso, and you indicated that the case in Judge Feist was scheduled for a status on March 23rd.
That is correct.
It's my understanding that Mr. Brooks has requested to appear in person for each hearing, so you want him produced for that?
Yes, please.
All right, we can put it on for that same date. We have trials scheduled on March 22nd, but we'll figure it out to be able to make this happen.
Sure.
What time on the 23rd?
That was set for 1:30.
Do you want the same time or do you want 2 o'clock? Or
We should probably just do 2 o'clock, just make it easier, make it cleaner.
And as far as that issue, the request to proceed pro se, I think that probably it sounds as if you are negotiating actively on his behalf, and he's not requesting this at this point, but only if it goes to trial. So we will, I will withhold any argument or any further action on that decision at this time.
Understood, Your Honor.
the next court date is March 23rd at 2 o'clock for status.
Thank you.
Take care.